Well, I tell you what, I want to show you how heavy this costume is. It is actually, I think it's beautiful. Maybe rags, but I think it's beautiful. But it gets really hot. And when you add this, which is all wool, and this is all raw silk, okay? Look how heavy. It's got an amazing weight to it. It's an exercise just wearing it. Well, you can hear the show going on there. This is my favorite of the show. Oh, there's so many favorites. It is stamping time and I love this. Well, of course we're in Dublin. Ladies and gentlemen, we're in Dublin. This is our first week in Dublin. And this is the first day I have felt human. It's our first week and Patti has been quite ill. Dizzy spells, oh you name it. But today I am feeling on top of the world, and you can hear my favorite tune going on there. This is Mary Poppins, ladies and gentlemen. It is just incredible. So much energy. Just listen to that. Okay, listen to the dancers, the orchestra. Oh, just amazing. Fantastic. Love being in Dublin, and I should discover Dublin once I feel a bit better. Bye guys.